my name's Melina and welcome to my channel, Homesteading Farm Life. Our videos are all about homesteading, our 40-acre farm, and our animals. Follow our journey and learn how to homestead on your farm or in your backyard. Be sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the link below.
Today is hatching day on the homestead. Woke up this morning to a little new chicken there. The family was very excited. This is the incubator that I use. Got it at the local farm store. As you know, your eggs need to be rotated a few times a day. This specific incubator does not come with one of those rotators or turners. However, you can purchase it separately. I highly suggest doing that as it's going to save you a lot of time and a lot of headache and a lot of worrying about, did I rotate them or not? The little control panel is very easy to use. You can set your date, your temperature, and your humidity. This one comes preset with the humidity and the temperature, and I just redo the date each time that I start a new batch of chickens. You want your temperature to be about 99.5 to 100 degrees. Now, your humidity level is very important. While your eggs are incubating, you want it to be around 50 to 60%. And then during the last 3 days, you want it to be about 65 to 70%. You control that by using by adding water to the little channels in there. And they also have these red plugs for these two holes. Those plugs, they help it so that way you can regulate the temperature and the humidity. You can open them if you need to. Out here on my homestead, we don't do anything fancy for these new babies. I have a shower in my laundry room, which is literally the place that I'm incubating. So in my shower, I'll put my light. You want to keep it 95 degrees. Give them some water, and then I just put an old towel down. And then as you can see, there's our first baby.
Thank you for watching today's video on Homesteading Farm Life. Please share this video with your friends and click that thumbs up button below. If you're interested in homesteading and farming, why don't you join our journey by clicking the subscribe button and then choosing the little bell icon so you never miss a video. Maybe you're interested in more than just watching homesteading videos. Maybe you want to make some homesteading friends. Why don't you join me on Facebook in my homesteading Facebook group? I will include a link to the group down in the video description.